We raised money in the markets as we went public. We raised a large bond offering and money in the process of going public. But to get to that point, Innventure invested below tens of millions to create $1 billion business.
Roland Austrup is the chairman and co-founder of a $1.7 billion hedge fund and chief growth officer of Innventure, a public conglomerate listed on NASDAQ that creates billion-dollar companies by using the uncommercialized technologies of multinationals.
How do you convince those multinationals to take on their data, their information? What's in it for them?
You're going through a market opportunity, then you're going through a technical validation of the technology that's developed. Then we have to go through the financial modeling and a go-to-market model. And you have to answer one very simple question. Is this business providing an immediate, quantifiable, compelling and quantifiable value proposition that's going to compel adoption in the marketplace? And then the last stage, of course, is you're creating a company.
Given his hedge fund experience, Roland leverages the systematic processes learned to build billion-dollar companies through Innventure.
Those geopolitical risks can create opportunities because the larger companies that are impacted are going to look for things where they can get cost savings or where they can get an edge. And if we're providing solutions that provide both an edge and cost savings, we're providing a solution for geopolitical risk. There are always things in front of us that create worry. There are always walls of worry. But, we have a survivalistic instinct. We tend to find ways to come up with solutions to problems that we face. So I don't really focus on the worries. I really just focus on the opportunities.